Similar to humans, sometimes plants need probiotics too. This is why I use this plant probiotic to create happy soil and plants. So these probiotics have billions of soil microbes that help boost plant growth, save water, and maintain garden health, and much more. What sealed the deal for me is that it states that all of this is scientifically proven. On the back, there are many sections, and it goes more into detail of how the probiotic helps the plant. On this side, there is your instructions. Basically, you can sprinkle the probiotics on the dirt and pour water to drench it in, or you can mix it with water and spray it on the leaves for a foliar spray. Or you can dig a hole and put the soil in the dirt just before you transplant your plants. So when you store it, make sure it is in a cool and dry place and make sure you use within 2 years of opening. Over here is an actual breakdown of all the probiotics. The great thing is in the little Ziploc bag, so you don't have to worry about storing it elsewhere. You can open it and seal it right back up. I don't have much left. It's time for me to refill, but I wanted to show you what it looked like. Almost look like ashes, almost. The pack lasts a while, especially if you're only using 1/4 teaspoon per plant or just a little bit as a foliar spray. Happy soil and plants.